Banana is one of the most popular fruits in the world. Due to its availability, nutritional value, and deliciousness, bananas have become one of the most popular foods in our daily diet. Benefits of eating bananas. 1. Reduces the risk of heart disease. Bananas contain high levels of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the causes of heart disease. Eating bananas regularly keeps blood pressure under control, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. 2. Increases bone strength. Bananas contain calcium and magnesium, which are helpful in increasing bone strength. Regular consumption of bananas strengthens bones and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. 3. Increases digestion power. Fiber in bananas improves digestion. It helps relieve constipation and helps the digestive system to function properly. 4. Increases energy. The natural sugars and carbohydrates in bananas provide instant energy. So many call it nature's energy bar. Eating bananas before or after exercise provides instant energy. 5. Keeps a good mood. Bananas contain a substance called tryptophan that increases the production of serotonin hormone in the brain. Serotonin hormone helps maintain good mood and relieves depression. Also, each banana contains an average of 27 milligrams of magnesium, which is essential for a healthy mind and good sleep. 6. Helpful in weight loss. Bananas are low in calories and high in fiber. As a result, eating it fills the stomach and reduces hunger. So for those who want to lose weight, banana is an ideal fruit. 7. In skin care. Applying banana butter on the skin makes the skin smooth and glowing. Bananas contain vitamin C and antioxidants that help in boosting the skin's radiance. 8. Keeps kidneys healthy. Bananas are high in potassium, which improves kidney function and reduces the risk of kidney disease. It improves kidney function and reduces the risk of kidney disease by providing a consistent presence of potassium in it. Bananas help maintain normal levels of potassium, which helps maintain kidney health. 9. Eliminates anemia. The iron present in bananas helps to prevent anemia. Iron increases the production of hemoglobin in the blood, which prevents anemia. Anemia can make the body feel tired and make you feel short of breath. Banana is a very useful fruit which contains a lot of iron. Iron helps in the formation of red blood cells and vitamin B6 plays a role in blood glucose metabolism. 10. Increases memory. Vitamin B6 and magnesium in bananas boost brain function and improve memory. So bananas should be eaten while studying or doing any mental work. 11. Reduces stress. Bananas contain potassium and vitamin B6 that help reduce stress. It improves nerve function and brings mental calmness. 12. Hair care. Applying banana paste on the hair makes the hair smooth and shiny. The potassium and vitamins in bananas strengthen the hair roots and promote hair growth. 13. Helps prevent cancer. The various antioxidants and vitamins in bananas eliminate free radicals in the body, which are one of the causes of cancer. Vitamin C and flavonoids in bananas in particular are helpful in preventing cancer. 14. Helps build muscle. Bananas are a convenient and portable snack that helps prevent muscle tension. It provides an excellent carbohydrate combination of energy and potassium, which helps keep muscles moving. It can be an easy option to eat after exercise. 17. Useful for diarrhea. Bananas contain a type of resistant starch, which aids digestion and can feed healthy bacteria in the colon. When there is diarrhea, an urgent need can be met by eating bananas to replenish the undigested minerals from the body. When to eat bananas? When is the best time to eat bananas? Some experts recommend eating bananas in the morning to reap the benefits throughout the day. It is better to eat banana with other food or after breakfast instead of on an empty stomach. Bananas can be eaten at any time of the day, but are most beneficial when eaten in the morning. What happens when bananas play at night? Many people believe that it is better not to eat this fruit at night, especially for those who have breathing problems like asthma. People prone to colds or coughs should not eat bananas before bed, as it is considered a cooling fruit and may take longer to digest. The health benefits of banana are so many that it is a must-have in our daily diet. It is not only nutritious but also has tremendous health benefits. By eating bananas regularly, we can stay healthy and improve various functions of our body. So eating at least one banana every day is very important for our health.